What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another passive income video. Today, we're going to be doing a deep dive into my success formula or my 2022 Redbubble game plan. I put in parentheses here or in quotation marks, just hold on, because the theme of this video here is really a representation of all of 2022 that's coming, and just hold on is the new theme. You know, we're just going to have to hold on. We're going to have to work as hard as possible. And then we're going to have to just keep going and keep pushing for the whole entire year of 2022 so we can see the results later down the road. And this, essentially, this video today is going to be a manifestation of that. All right. So let's get into what we're going to be talking about. So my game plan is going to start off by creating websites for each of the store niches. So you guys know my game plan with the numbers. I want to do 10 stores on Redbubble for 2022, not counting any of the stores that I had in the past, okay? Including the Stoic store. The Stoic store was just to show you guys how I did certain things and just kind of to show like a preview of some things. The Stoic store, to be honest, got abused by the copycatters. Anything that I create after doing just like 20 minutes of research, I found already like 6 copycat people. And that's on Instagram and on Redbubble. So it wouldn't be wise for me to go out there and create 60 designs per day on a store that there's already a microscope under by certain people. So for me, I'm not going to be doing that. I'm not going to be putting myself under the light in that example. The stores that I'm going to be creating, they're going to be private stores. I'm just going to be using the Stoic store as examples. With that being said, these are going to be 10 brand new stores. They're going to hopefully reach 1,800 designs per month, or close to that. And it's kind of the game plan, right? The game plan is to get to that elusive number of 20,000 designs on average for the year. Now, I'm going to be creating websites for each of the niches of the stores, not for each store. So there will be a little bit of overlap. And we'll get to the scene on the slideshow here where we talk about, what kind of stores I'm actually going to be designing or creating. But yes, guys, I do intend on doing all this work myself. And I'm a big believer in doing a little bit work every day can lead to great results. Look, anybody can create 60 designs in one day. Anybody can do it. Anybody can upload those 60 designs in one day. But not everybody can do it every single day without any breaks, constant repetition, and finding the way to stay sane during the whole process. So that's why kind of the theme I'm saying, this just hold on theme, is that's kind of what it is. Let's just go hard for 1 year and let's be experts in this area. Now, you guys don't have to do it. I'm just kind of explaining what I'm doing, right? So I have ways that I'm going to do it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have promotional methods for each of the stores. And when I say for each of the stores, it's just strictly for the month that I'm going to be doing it. All right. So how I'm going to do this is this. Pinterest. I'm currently looking at different tools, different automation tools, different bots, different things that can help me grow on Pinterest. All right. I already have some strategies going. I'm starting to learn about Pinterest. I'm not an expert yet. I can't sit here and say that. So that's why I kind of don't talk about Pinterest too much. But once I know more information fully about it and I'm confident in what I speak about, I'll be able to share that information. For Instagram, you guys know me. Instagram has been my wheelhouse for a long time. Using automation tools and different bots and different tools to help grow the Instagram accounts. I'm actually coming out with a free course on Instagram plus Redbubble free course. It's coming out soon. So if you're interested in that course, just make sure you stay subscribed so you can get notified once I let it out. Because I'll talk about it in the videos. I'll say, hey guys, go grab the free Instagram course. And honestly, guys, it's just a guide to kind of bring everybody up to speed on how to properly use Instagram for Redbubble, combining them two to create sales. You guys know I got my first sale on the Stoic store in less than 18 hours, but in about 18 hours since inception, since the opening of that store, since the very beginning. So essentially, I created a store, and then 18 hours later, I got my first sale, and that was because of Instagram. Nobody had known about the store yet. I don't even think it was public, or maybe it was at that time. I'm not really sure. But 18 hours later, got my first sale. So that was because of Instagram. And then Instagram later created a number of sales after that, which I've done videos on to show. So it's, nothing different, nothing crazy. But with that being said, Instagram is a valuable promo tool to help kind of not only boost me in the rankings by getting some, sales, but also to just build an audience around that specific store that I can go back and work on and grow some more later down the road. But for that 30-day period that I'm working on a specific store, I'll try to be using Instagram to promote it as much as I can. And for Pinterest, I'm going to start learning more about Pinterest. I already been learning a lot, but I'm going to keep learning, and then I'll come back to you guys and share some information on Pinterest whenever I decide to do that. That could be 4 months down the line. That could be 3 months down the line. It could be a month down the line. Who really knows? But I'm learning as much as I can, and until I feel confident with my success on there, that's what I'm going to do. Now, when I say refer to automation tools, an example of the automation tools is this company called Bots and Apps. They're the sister company to IG Bots. If you guys are familiar with IG Bots, they sell like one-time use tools. Like essentially you buy it and you keep it for however long you want it. But these tools, the Bots and Apps, they're monthly tools. So they're a little bit cheaper to use, especially if you want like a specific tool. Like this Instagram comment tool, it's pretty awesome because I get to comment on people's posts using this bot, and I pay $9.99 a month, which is really not that bad at all. And it comes out to somewhat of the same price of the one-time payment tools. The only difference is this is monthly, so it's broken down with a smaller price. The Redbubble Automator is another automation tool that I'm going to be using, guys. For this, that's going to help me boost. The Redbubble automation tool is going to be another tool that I'm going to be using for this, which is this one, for the whole process, because what it's going to do is it's going to help me, once again, boost the ranking. When I create different designs on different stores, I'm going to increase the favorites on those specific designs by favoriting other people's work, favoriting my own work, and that will, at the end of the day, boost it in the organic traffic rankings on specifically Redbubble. I already have my game plan with the SEO for the tags, and speaking of the tagging, you guys can head over to autopilotpassiveincome.com. Just click on this button here that says Redbubble course if you guys want to learn about the course. By the way, guys, we're increasing the price right after Christmas, okay? So you guys know I'm adding content to the course frequently. In fact, we just recently, a few days ago, added 5 lessons. We're going to be adding another 5 lessons, but we can't keep adding lessons without increasing the price. We are going to increase the price, and at the end of the day, lowering the price was a way to thank the early customers. So if you guys don't want to pay extra for the course, I'm telling you, join early, because the price will never go down after this. It will only keep going up. So I'll leave the link in the description to the Redbubble course if you guys are interested. But essentially, it's the whole SEO process behind it. The tagging, the titling, from Google SEO to Redbubble SEO. Because realize that they're 2 different search engines. You know, how I look at tagging, different things like that. And on top of that, in the course, there is a request section. So if you're a course buyer and you have a certain question on ranking or something like that, I always take video requests, and I actually put the videos out. So this time, out of the 5 videos, we got 2 video requests, or I think 3, and I can't really remember. And we're going to be answering those questions and putting them on video format. So really good benefits that come with this course. If you feel like that's something you might need and it might help you in your business, join the course. The link will be in the description box down below. The price is currently sitting at today's date, the 23rd, at $35.99. It will go up. Like I said, it will go up. The more content we add, the more the price is going to increase. All right. So what we're doing, like I said, is we're going to be using the automation tools, focusing on the SEO, and this is going to be on a month-to-month basis. Every new store is going to have its new process with a whole new accounts and everything like that. All right. So to break down the numbers, 10 Redbubble stores in 12 months. That's going to be a lot of work. 1,800 designs per store. I should have added per store here, but you guys get the point. Now, to work out the numbers a little bit further, max uploads is 60 designs per day. And that's not per store, but that's across all accounts on Redbubble. So 60 designs per day. Those 60 for an average of 30 days per month, we're looking at 1,800 designs per month on each store. Now, for diversification purposes, I'm going to be diversifying not only in niche, and concept, but also for protection purposes for the Redbubble store. What happens with Redbubble is when you get banned off a certain store, Redbubble doesn't necessarily stop you from owning other stores. It just depends the severity of the ban or the suspension. So you got to be aware of that. Now, me personally, I don't plan on doing anything that's going to get me suspended because I'm not stealing other people's designs. I'm not going to be using copyrighted or trademarked kind of ideas. I'm just going to be super organic with this, super evergreen. So basic things that don't impede on anybody's rights. And that's what I'm going to stick with. The next thing after that, is 1,800 times 12. That equals to 21,600 total designs. Now, I always say the goal is 20,000, but you can plus or minus 2,000 to that. There's going to be some people where their quality of designs is going to be very, very bad. In that case, it's more than plus or minus 2,000. It might be, plus 10,000. They might have to do 30,000 designs to get to the passive income goal of 30,000 for the 36,000 for the year. And when I say 36,000 for the year, I'm not talking about the year of 2022. That's the year of building. I'm talking about the years after it. So if I don't touch any store for the year of 2023, if I did everything correctly, it should come out to 36,000 in passive income, or somewhere close to there at least. But like I said, there's a plus or minus factor. There's an error. We have to, kind of account for a margin of error. And that margin of error plays through variables. Some people, their design quality is going to be out there. It's going to be really, really good. Maybe their tagging quality is really good. Maybe their titling ability is really good. Maybe they're just, good at everything overall. And maybe for them it will be, maybe they only need 10,000 designs. But for the average person we're looking at to above average, it's going to be about 20,000 designs. For some people, it might need to be 40,000 designs because their quality is lower. It just really just depends on the person. And that's why there's a plus or minus here. But for the majority of the people, the plus or minus is going to be 2,000. All right. And that's on the design. So anywhere from 18,000 to 22,000 to get to that 36K in passive income. But once again, you want to be aware of your own design ability, and the likelihood of somebody actually buying something from your store kind of differs. All right. So let's talk about the different niches, the different categories that I plan on designing in. So here's just some examples. Animals, snacks, so things like I love coffee shirts, or I love candy, I love pizza. Different ideas like that. Ethnic, so American pride shirts. And these are just examples. I could do Egyptian pride, Irish pride, Scottish pride, all these different examples. Patterns and designs, that's going to be a whole niche, a whole store on its own. Inspirational, nature, faith. Now, if you guys remember, I specifically said I'm going to be creating design or websites for each of the store niches, not for each store. So, for example, this inspirational and the faith, they can overlap slightly. They will be different stores, and they will each have 1,800 designs. But first, if I was to make a website, that website would contain both of them, right? So I'm not necessarily going to have 10 websites. I'm just going to be cutting down on the amount of websites that I'm creating. Now, there's a purpose for the websites. The purpose is the SEO. It helps essentially increase my chances of doing SEO. And some people will talk about, how about embedding your Redbubble designs into the store? You can do that, but that's not going to help as much from an SEO perspective. Okay? I mean, it could work, but it's really, you're hurting yourself from an SEO perspective. I would just do keywords and things like that. But you guys will see the whole process when I actually go ahead and do it, and I'll make tutorials. But this is my game plan. This is what I'm planning to do. Is it going to take a lot of work? Sure, but it's very possible. I'm very aware of the amount of work that I do in a day. And, it's just another little side gig out there, that I'm going to be doing. So I'm excited for it. 2022 is upon us. It is coming quick, guys. We have, a few days left to the year. That's it. And then 2022 is going to be here. We'll never be able to come back to 2021. So that's why I'm just trying to end off this year with a bang and let you guys know what I'm planning to do. Like I said, we're doing the ethnics, the patterns and designs, inspirational, nature, faith, etc. So I'm not really sure about the other stores. I know I'm going to, have to hit 10 no matter what. We'll figure out what we're going to do. But, I'm excited for it. I'm excited for the future, and this is, like I said, just my game plan. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video, guys, give you some inspiration. Any links in the description that I mentioned will be in the description. So this website here if you're trying to get some of the bots, if you're trying to get the course or any other products, let me know. I'll leave them in the links in the description. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Bye.